MeghalayaPost.news.
Halor kawi kejingja kebelaja ka khandri tarik benai naitung ara jarab sau hagapor arbaji mistep he embos laidum khra guest house u MLA karang sakuna nagar hills u subir marak mentang sengi lapan pau ya kejing Sngewkhia ke bajur halor kejing Saphriang Dur Khih ke bede nak te kejingja kebelaja hapreng jungu bat unong up ke guest house kemalak pau ha Dur Khih bela Saphriang ha kirinsan social media la keno ba ke Dur Khih kedai keba la keno bu MLA karang sakuna ula thap yunong up ke guest house bat bala keno ru bu MLA karang sakuna ula thap yu yunong up ke guest house kedai tang nagadau ke jing sleman pli ya ke khrdop jong ke guest house Habe krem bot meghalayapost.news link ba ke mobile phone u MLA karang sakuna nagar hills u subir marak luong bakum unong mikmat paiba nagar hills u dap shisha ada ke museum jong ke jing Sngewkhia ke bajur ke bade hadian ke jing Saphriang Dur Khih ha kirinsan social media namar halor ke jingja la dep banyapan ma badru banyak keren Iasuk bat ke basngol lingok pat bagate ke Dur Khih kadang Saphriang ha kirinsan social media.
On that 15th and 16th, no?
Mm-hmm.
I had booked a room in Ambo's guest house.
Yes.
That guest house I booked in my name because all the Garwell's teachers representation.
Mm-hmm.
So they were having appointment on 16th with Education Minister as well as Diesel, Director of School Education and Literacy.
Yeah.
So 15 and 16, no, I booked a room in my name.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier also they had booked the room in that same guest house.
Mm-hmm.
But they were given dormitory.
Mm-hmm.
So this teacher's representative, they called me up and then they asked me to book a better room if available.
Yeah.
So later on, I sent my PS to inquire about the room, and then after he came there, so they were allotted better room.
Mm-hmm.
Not the VIP rooms, I think the better rooms.
Yeah.
So on 15th evening, I called them for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
I called them for dinner and they had a dinner there in my place.
Mm-hmm.
So by the time the dinner was over, it's already like 1:30 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So after 1:30, I went to drop myself personally in my personal car.
Yeah.
The VIP car.
Mm-hmm.
So after reaching that Ambo's guest house, we were blowing horn.
Mm-hmm.
We were blowing horn as well as siren also.
Yeah.
For almost half an hour.
Yeah.
For almost half an hour, but nobody turned up. Neither the chokidar or nobody.
Yeah.
So after getting so much late, then my PSO jumped over the wall.
Mm-hmm.
And when I woke up the chokidar, and along with chokidar, his wife also came along.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, it was almost more than half an hour we waited. It was drizzling also a little bit.
Yeah.
So we were inside the car only. Then when they woke up, they were not talking politely.
Mm-hmm.
They were not talking politely. Especially his wife was like, we don't care who is MLA or VIP. We close the door at every 10 o'clock. So why don't you inform us? So and such argument took place.
Mm-hmm.
So later on me also I got a little bit annoyed and I just give mild slap to the chokidar.
Yeah.
The matter was solved there only.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have sent my PS also to apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Because I could not stay in Shillong on 16 because 16 my cousin brother was admitted to hospital and he had to go for kidney dialysis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my cousin brother's daughter is also staying with me. She's studying in BDS International School.
Mm-hmm.
She wanted to meet her father, so I had to rush on 16.
Mm-hmm.
The incident took place on 16th morning to 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Yeah.
That means 15 morning. That is 16 only. 16 2 a.m. So actually, if I would have done there, maybe I would have visited myself to that chokidar and asked apology. But since I was not available, I sent my peers to seek apology, and they have already settled down.
That means you have settled with the chokidar.
Yeah. We were not having any more.
You personally apologize with him, or you sent by someone?
I sent my PS because I was not available.
Oh, okay.
I have to rush to Tura on that same day.
Yeah.
because my cousin brother was admitted and he had gone for kidney dialysis.
Yeah,
so I rushed to meet him.
Mm-hmm.
So later on, I have talked with the embassy officials also,
Mm-hmm.
and they have also like said that we will settle it amicably.
Mm-hmm.
So we will not take any legal action. We will not take any legal course.
Mm-hmm.
So it was settled.
Mm-hmm.
So this morning only this video became viral.
Yeah, because I saw that video only, that's why I called you.
Yeah. Actually, I have already written one clarification regarding that.
Mm-hmm.
That I'll forward you.